So I'm approaching my 79cc Harbor Freight water pump. And I think that they paint these things different colors, different years, because this one is a mixture of one I bought 3 years ago and one I bought 2 years ago. And like an idiot, I left water in it. I left it sit here over the winter both times. And I don't know, you can see it a little bit. There's a whole bunch of weld on here, this cast aluminum water housing. When that water freezes, what happens is, I think it expands somehow, and it caused my housing to crack. On the first pump, I wasn't able to fix it because there was threads involved in the cracking, but this time, I was able to weld it back up even though the welds look like crap. Believe it or not, I'm actually a professional welder. But I had to do what I had to do to make it fuse and make it hold. So I've got the muffler and the gas tank from one. I've got the recoil starter from another. I've got the engine from another. And then I've got the housing from the other. And I made a Frankenpump. What I do with this pump is I've got this water cistern, which I'm standing on. It's got about a 16-foot deep water storage that's probably 9-10 foot wide. It's a pretty big tank under there. I think I estimated that it gets about 4,000 gallons in it, and it just refills by snow and rainfall. So I've got this hose here that goes down into the cistern. I've rigged it up so that I've got a garden hose that goes out to my garden. And I had a Generac pump first, and it only lasted me a couple months. In fact, I'm about to try to rebuild it. It's been sitting for about 3-4 years or something. I'm going to try to do it again. But back in the day, or even as recent as last year, I've pumped water from way over there where them thistles are sticking up. They're not really thistles, they're called teasel. So we're talking 150 yards away at least to water this garden right here. And that pumped it. And then I got a vineyard. Well, I'm going to start a vineyard on the other side of that big daylily patch. And I'm going to water. I'm going to empty that one out first over there. And then I'm going to save this cistern here for now. But I can't say enough good things about this water pump. It's actually a really good pump. It's half the price of the other ones. I hate the fact that it's Chinese made, but they say it's some kind of copy of a Honda unit. It's a very good pump. So take it inside in the wintertime if you buy one, and don't let the water in the housing freeze. But it's been a really good pump.